Okay, then we press again this button to change PR1. PR1 is automatic mode. It's also an espresso mode. This mode is for the espresso machine because I don't have espresso machine here, so I will modify the operation about how we do it. For example, when we put the scale on the when you put the cup on the machine and then the coffee will drop in here, we will modify it. Let's do it. You can see when we put the cup on the scale, it will auto zero, auto tail, and then when we pour the water, the timer will start. Okay, you see. Okay, then the scale will auto tail, and then let's start. You see the timer will start by itself. Okay. Let's say it finished. When we finish, you see the timer will stop by itself. Okay. This is the scale, how the scale make for the espresso machine. Okay. Thank you.